Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things Logic. I'm Jeremy Hawes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use your on-screen keyboard. It looks like a little piano, and use your mouse to play all the notes with your MIDI instruments in Logic Pro. Pretty simple. Without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. Alright guys, if you guys want to follow along, go ahead and we're going to click on Logic Pro, open that bad boy up. We're going to use empty project here, okay? Go and left click on choose, and just make sure if you're using a MIDI instrument, make sure this is lit up green and it's this box and it says software instrument, okay? And everything else will just leave the same. We're gonna hit create. All right, there it is. This is your MIDI instrument, the default one. It starts off with this every time unless you change it in the settings. And this is a classic electric piano, and then you can change them here. There's drum kits here. There's everything you can think of here. It's got gazillion plugins. It's our MIDI instruments. It's sick. So I'm gonna hit record. Actually, let me set a not a count in, but a metronome, and I'm gonna go ahead and then I'm gonna show you guys how to use on-screen keyboard. We're gonna go to Window, left click, and we're gonna go down to Show Keyboard. Okay, there it is, very small. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna left click and hold down our mouse and pull this to the left, and then we're gonna go up and grab the top of it and do the same thing, pull it up. Okay, that gives us a good amount. Let me make it a little bigger. There we go. Not that I'm going to be able to use all this. You can't play this way, unfortunately. You got to use your mouse, and it's really hard to... Yeah, you'll see. Okay, let me hit record. Oh, that was wonderful. Horrible. It is what it is, okay? So I'm going to show you how to make a second track in a different octave, that kind of thing, how to use a different instrument, that kind of stuff. But we're going to go ahead and right-click on this track where it's lit up and go down to New, Track with Duplicate Settings, left-click, and it'll make a second track, same instrument, same volume, everything. Pretty sick. And if you don't understand the little things I'm doing, the smaller things like putting on this recycle right here, this guy, or making a new track like that, I have a beginner's guide to Logic Pro. It's on my new channel called All Things Logic. Check it out, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and play a second part. I'm going to pull this up to here for a different octave, as you'll see. There we go. Okay, I'm going to hit record. Cool. Alright guys, so you get the idea, okay? Now let me just show you how to kind of use, like, because it's totally different using a drum kit on this, okay? Drum kits and stuff and some of the other sounds. So let me show you how to do that real quick. We're going to go over to, go ahead and put this away real quick. We're going to make a new track. And I'll just go over and hit this plus button. This to make a separate track. You can do it either, make another track the way I did before, the duplicate settings, or you can do it this way. Either way. And then you can just change the instrument. But here we go. Okay, so I'm going to go over to drum kits. I like to use acoustic drum kits. I usually use it for metal and rock and stuff like that, and grunge. But they have beats, and they have they have all kinds of electric kits in here, drum kits, all kinds of stuff, guitar, everything you can think of. Okay, I'm going to use SoCal. Okay, so we're going to go and grab this on-screen keyboard again. Show screen keyboard. Okay, so here we go. And you got to kind of move this around to find where the actual kick and snare and the hi-hat, everything is, toms. Oh, I found it right in time. It's really hard to do this. Let's do this. As good as you're gonna get right now, guys. So you get the idea. Let me go ahead and make another one by left clicking and then right clicking on this guy and then go down and left click on this. Okay, made a third one now. Okay, I'm gonna go find the ride. There's a ride. Okay. Oh, my bad. I'm gonna go ahead and left click over here and go undo MIDI. I'll undo this track, or I can go like this and left click and highlight this guy, left click and then right click and cut or delete. I'll delete it. Okay, we're going to try that again. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just hit play real quick, and now without the metronome. Again, right, left. Oh, that's a horrible crash at the end there. Let's just go get rid of that. Drag it there. Cool. We don't need to keep doing this. I can do this all day. But all right, guys. Hope it was helpful. Next video, it should be in the thumbnail. I'll show you guys how to actually access and use your computer's keyboard as a MIDI controller or MIDI keyboard and play the piano and play all the different instruments. Pretty sick. I suggest doing it that way. It's a lot easier. You can play in time instead of the on-screen keyboard is more of like one note at a time. It wasn't meant to really do what I'm doing. Well, I was just trying to do it, you know, playing a live one, you know, play it right then. Anyways, all right, guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, anything to do with Logic Pro on your Mac, your iPhone, or iPad, please check out my channel, All Things Logic. If you guys want to learn how to use GarageBand, which is Logic Pro's little brother, GarageBand is completely free. If you want to learn how to use it on your Mac, your iPad, or iPhone also, please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haas. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. See you guys.